Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Photon Tunland dual cab ute, stock reference number 45248. This shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2020. There's a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left guard has one small dent. Pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Aftermarket towbar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand side steps sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, and the single stack CD player. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.